Normally, Microsoft Office Professional 2021 cost $439. But what if I tell you, you can get this only at $34 in a website? So today we are going to check whether it is legit or risky. So here, this is the website keysoft.com. So here you can see you can get the Microsoft Office 2021 Pro at just $34. So why it is so cheap? Because this website is called gray market. It means those keys are not directly sold by Microsoft officially. So let's just try it out whether we can get it so cheaply or not. So let me just click here Office 2021 and there you can see it is showing us $90 right now, but this type of website give us coupon code. So let me just add this to the cart and there you can see it is added to the cart. So here I am going to click here proceed to checkout. So here you can see currently we are in the checkout page and here we need to give our details. So I'll give my email address, then my full name, last name and country, every other details with phone number, and here you will see the apply discount code. So here you can see it is showing us $90. So we are going to add a coupon code to check whether we can get a discount or not. So if I just say here WTK 62 and this is the coupon code for the Microsoft Office, and if I click here apply discount, it will give us 62% discount. So here you can see the price goes from $90 to $34. After that we just need to go down and here you can see we have the update option. Click on update and after that it will show you this button place order. So I'm going to click here place order and then it will tell you to add your payment method. So you can choose PayPal, your credit card, or you can also pay with crypto as well. So once you pay with your card, you will receive activation code in your mail address that you just given over here. Okay. So from this website, you can get Microsoft Office, Windows 11 at a super cheaper price. That's why people are interested about this website. So if you are interested and curious, then I will give a link in the description with the coupon code so that you can check it out. But remember it, if you buy those from this website, everything will work fine. But if you face any problem, you won't get any official support. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.